So I'm going to replace this ugly trim here, and then one way to remove it is to, first thing is take out this cover here. So you probably need a pick tool. I have a pick tool here. It's gonna mar it a little bit, but once you open this one, there will be a 10 mm bolt over there that you're going to take out. So once the two bolts are out, you could just like grab this handle and pull. Yep, there you go. Then this is also the time where you check the hoses in here. So it looks like they're still in pretty good shape. No clog. Yep. Yep. So yeah, the grommet there, check it out. Then time to put the new one in. And putting a new one in. Yep, just insert it there first. And finagle it over here. Probably need to remove this door row trim in here so that you could put this one. So got that side taken care of. It looks pretty nice now. Yep, the color is off, but it's way better than a bad cloth. Same thing on the driver's side. Pull it out. Oop. Oh, this one is different. Oh boy. So we're gonna do it differently. Okay. Yep, got it. And time to check this one. Let's see. So this rubber grommet is still pretty good. And clog. Yeah, you have to make sure that there's no cracks in here, or this is in really good condition. Sometimes they get brittle over time. And yeah, so time to replace this one. Yep, so driver's side is pretty clean now. Now I have to figure out what to do with the headliner. Yeah, it's pretty much the last priority right now.